Restoration of sense of smell. Guided meditation day 3. We use our senses to perceive the world around us. Through our senses, we enjoy the beauty of nature, its aromas, sounds, and the variety of colors and shades. Our sense of smell, sense of taste, sense of sight, and sense of warmth are our senses that help us perceive the beauty of the world around us. Imagine how important the sense of smell is in our lives. Through your sense of smell, you can smell people, food, air, perfume, and everything around you. A pleasant smell can remain in your memory for a lifetime. The slightest sense of smell can instantly transport you back to the time of memories of a person or event. Sometimes we don't realize how important smells and smell are in our lives. It is interesting that the mechanism of smell and taste in our body are still a mystery. Smells are directly related to our emotions. A pleasant smell is a pleasant emotion, and vice versa. Let's restore our sense of smell through meditation practice. Please sit down comfortably. Allow yourself to be in silence. Turn off all your devices. Relax your body. Put your hands on your knees and turn your palms toward the sky. Close your eyes. Start relaxing every part of your body, from your toes to the crown of your head. Direct your attention to the internal sensations in your body. The body is calm, relaxed, filled with attention and a sense of balance. All thoughts disappear. You are here and now. Take 3 deep breaths and exhale deeply 3 times. Eyes closed. You follow me. And now you direct your attention to the area of your head, to the area of your nose. Inhale and try to feel the smell that surrounds you. And now, remember your favorite smell. For example, the smell of your favorite flower, perfume, food, anything. Notice how the sensations in your body change. Now, imagine that you are on the seashore, sitting on a rock. Clean air fills your lungs. It's a warm evening. It's summer. Your body feels good. You are looking at the sunset. You feel incredibly comfort in your body. You breathe in the energy of life. You feel the world around you love you. You feel harmony with the world around you. You feel the fresh air from the sea filling your body, and the universe loving you infinitely. Warmth fills your body, your heart, your mind. You are healing. You breathe in the energy of life, the pure sea air. You are filled with love and the energy of life. You feel good. Continue to enjoy this state. Be at peace. My dear friend, please continue with your meditations related to the renewal of your senses. The sense of smell can help you to feel life in a new way, to become more sensitive, open, kind. I give you the warmth of my heart